Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and this is a 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. This boat is full white hull. You'll see it's powered by a white painted Mercury 200 V6, sea deck on the swim platform, which is really nice cushioning on your feet. If you have pets coming on board, it's a great feature too. We also have the ski tow pylon at the back. This really nice lounge seat, so when you're hanging out at a sandbar or just at anchor, really nice seating area to sit at. Underneath all of this, since we have the outboard, is a very large bilge compartment. We've also got some storage here. You can fill that with ice, battery switches in there, and also storage up here as you come down into the cockpit. You also notice that we have the water sports tower option on this boat. So we've got a bimini protection here. If you were going to do some wakeboarding, you can actually hook up your line here on top of the tower as well, and it is a folded down tower, so if you had some indoor storage you could fit it in to a shorter, narrower spot. In the back we've got a nice L-shaped seating, which is really adjustable. Right now we've got it set up as a lounge seat. This piece here comes out completely, so if you wanted to have somebody facing aft and facing forward, you can, or just have the lounge seat, and the backrest here folds back towards the front of the boat, so you can really stretch your legs out if you want to face aft. The carpeting in here is the Infinity woven vinyl, snap out, so if you need to do some heavy cleaning, snaps right out, dry it off, place it back in place. Up here around the nice wraparound windshield, we've got a glove box, cup holder. You can see the Fusion stereo system that we have installed here, and also some more storage right in the center of the cockpit. At the helm, we've got our Simrad display, multifunction display for your sonar and your charts. We've got our Fusion radio headset, USB chargers, and all the important switches that you need. The throttle is Mercury's digital throttle and shift, so very easy to use, nice comfort. It's not pulling on a cable of a drive-by cable throttle. Coming forward, we've got a nice bow section, storage underneath the seats, really nice area to stretch out, very comfortable. We've got grab rails in here, cup holders down below. Again, the Fusion stereo speakers, and then our anchor locker up at the front. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook and check out this boat.